welcome back. With me I have Jennifer Whitney. She's a certified health nutritionist and she's going to be showing us an awesome recipe here that y'all can do. So what are you showing us today?
Today we're going to learn how to make a delicious gluten-free granola. It's packed with lots of protein, healthy fats, and fiber. And it's gluten-free, grain-free, and it's great. You can make it and put it in a glass mason jar and store it in your fridge and eat off of it for a week or two. It's a very handy snack and a great breakfast option.
Wonderful, wonderful.
Yeah.
So what are some of the ingredients that we got here?
Well, first of all, we're going to grind a little bit of, we've got a cup and a half of pecans, a half cup of walnuts, and a half cup of almonds. So we're going to go ahead and put that in here. We're going to put it in the food processor and lightly pulse it for just a few minutes. And you can pulse it to, however small you want the nuts to be, but I just kind of gently pulse it so I don't really ruin the precious oils in the nuts. And then you're going to go ahead and take it out and just pour it in this bowl. And then we're going to go ahead and mix in a half a cup of pumpkin seeds.
So you're mentioning if you pulse it too much, you actually destroy some of the oils in there?
Yeah, I like to pulse the nuts just as gentle and as short as possible because I like to kind of leave it in as organic of a state as possible.
Oh, great.
And then you're going to put in a half cup of sunflower seeds. Mm-hmm. So you're getting lots of protein, healthy fats, zinc. These are chia seeds. They're some of my favorite little seeds to work with. They're great. They're packed with protein, calcium, iron, fiber, lots of omega-3. They're considered a superfood. So I put those in here. And then we're going to go ahead and mix in a half a cup of coconut oil. So we're going to put this in here. And you can soften this up if you want. I just threw it in here for today. And I'm going to put that in. And then we're going to put in a fourth a cup of grade B maple syrup. And I really recommend using grade B maple syrup because it's very, very high in minerals and vitamins. And then we're going to put in 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, which is great. Cinnamon's packed with antioxidants. And we're going to put in a fourth a teaspoon of salt. And I like to use Himalayan sea salt because it's a great source of natural minerals. And then a 4th teaspoon of nutmeg to add even more flavor. And then you're going to go ahead and mix it. And I kind of like to get in there and use my hands and really mix it together.
Really do it down and dirty, huh? Yeah.
My kids love this. They eat off this all the time. And I like to have them help me make it at home. So you're just going to go ahead and blend everything together. And then you're going to pour this on a cookie sheet. And you're going to put this in the oven and bake it at 300 for 30 to 40 minutes. So today...
And that is what it will look like after?
Yeah, this is what it's going to look like when it's all done. So I'm going to show you what I do in the final step. You're just going to put this here. And this has already been baked. And then you're going to mix in some dried fruit. And today I'm going to be using cranberries, prunes, and figs. So you're going to go ahead and put this in, and you're going to mix it up. And you can use whatever fruit that you want. But I like to use cranberries. They're really high in vitamin C and fiber. Same with the prunes. You're just going to mix those around. And that's it.
Wonderful.
And
well, thank you very much. This is delicious.